so many of our customers actually sleep in their trucks. You're at the job site early in the morning and you're working all day, but during some idle time, you might want to catch a nap. Or we had customers who play hard too. You arrive at a campsite late, and rather than having to set up camp, you can really just recline your seat and settle in for the night. Often for me, it was when I was picking up my kids from different activities or so on. And we thought about trying to make the seat fold flat. And what we found was when you do that, it still wasn't comfortable. There was this gap between the seat cushion and the seat back, and it just wasn't a comfortable position. You needed to do more than just make the seat fold flat. So the team really went to work on how they could actually raise the lower portion and fill that gap in, as well as around the shoulder area to your headrest to be able to actually close that gap. So when you fold flat, it's really like a first-class experience on one of the better airlines where you really have a very comfortable position. I think it's just a great feature. Our customers, they work hard, they play hard, and sometimes they're tired and they need a nap.